So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, turn it off and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this screen, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And then once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now we're going to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. If you get this error, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in bootrec /rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to type in chkdsk /f/r. Click on Enter. And you now want to run this scan. The scan will take a while. You just want to run all of this, and then once that's been completed, you then want to close out of Command Prompt, and now you can just continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.